Today, I'm gonna make the greatest dish ever! Oops, that was extra salty. Okay, second try. No, stop cooking yourself.
My little chef needs some help.
Grandma! Yes, but I want to do it myself first.
This book taught me everything. Now it's your turn.
Thank you, Grandma. Wait, what if I add strawberries to the pancake?
That's my creative boy.
Perfect.
Now that's a chef's touch.
Wow, looks like a restaurant dish.
Let's taste your masterpiece.
This is amazing, Tommy.
You're officially a little chef.
Really? One day, I'll have my own restaurant.
And I'll be your first customer.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!